In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status in Outlook. Whether you're trying to set your availability or manage your schedule more effectively, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by navigating to the official Outlook website or launching the Outlook application if it's installed on your device. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a Sign In button. Give that a click. This action will prompt you to enter your email and password, so go ahead and type in your credentials to access your Outlook account. Once you're all signed in and are looking at the Outlook interface, focus on the left side of your screen. Here you should see an icon labeled Calendar. Clicking this will open your calendar view, which is where we'll be able to update your status. With your calendar open, you'll want to create a new event to change your status. Look for the New Event button, which is typically easy to spot. Click on it and a new window will appear. In this new event window, direct your attention to the Busy button. It's important to note that your status in Outlook is often tied to how your time is labeled, whether you're free, busy, focused, or anything else. By clicking on the Busy button, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this list, you can choose a status that accurately reflects your availability. For instance, if you're going to be working on a project and don't want to be disturbed, you might choose Busy or Do Not Disturb. Alternatively, if you're available for meetings or calls, you could select Free. After you've selected the appropriate status, the final touch is to click on the Save button. This action ensures your changes are stored and your new status is set. The Save button is usually located at the bottom or top of the event window. By clicking Save, you effectively communicate your availability to anyone who may check your calendar. Why is updating your status so important? Well, keeping your calendar up to date helps you manage your time better and keeps your colleagues informed about when you're available. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance productivity and teamwork. And there you have it, from opening Outlook to setting your new status, each step ensures you control how you present your availability. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate and utilize Outlook more efficiently. Bookmark this video for future reference and don't hesitate to explore the many other features Outlook offers to